First class, guys. First class. First. We started with the movement, yes, on the end, before the one, arm up, yeah? And open up the position, step open to my left, yes? After, ladies, you wait with the arm, keep it close to your head, wait before you pass it here, before you bring it back down, in the touch. Neither stop your lady on time before she transfers her weight on her left leg. Yes, it's in the touch, we also will touch here. Now, from the left, we're going to give the accelerated intention for the turn, and 3 and 4. Yeah? Ladies, keep your arm close. In the middle of your turn, keep your arm close. Leaders, you go right, left, right. Yes, arm goes up and catch before she transfers the weight on her left leg in this case. Yes, afterwards, my leading is going a bit away from me. I cross. You see this position now? My leading side is away from my body. So my hand is on the side. I'm not here. You see my position? I'm straight in my own balance. She's in her own balance. Yeah? Cross. Now, the position changes towards the same direction. Sorry. You see my arm? It's around the back of the follower because my leading side is close to my body now. Yeah? For the leg lift, jump and catch. Till 7, we went down. 8, 1, lean on 2. Don't forget to turn your upper body towards your partner.
Stay straight, ladies.
Yes. And your leg, or pointed leg like this. After, yeah. But next to your, yes. From here, we had 3 coming back with our, coming back on our right leg with our weight, search for the connection with the left. On 4, we touch with the left here. Half rotation, touch again, and stop with the right on time. Now, stop the partner in the touch. Once again, my arm goes from connection to shoulder here, and we get the turning and 7 and 8. 1. Yes? One time fast. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Cool. Yes? Yeah. Okay.